Good morning. Today we can continue our topic EVS. Now we can start need for public awareness. What are the main needs for public awareness regarding EVS? The realization of environmental problems by the common man is called public awareness or environmental awareness. The realization of environmental problems by the common man, by these normal people, is called public awareness or environmental awareness. Our earth is a big house where we all live. We are living in earth. That is a big house for every living things. We will be healthy only when our mother earth is healthy. We will be healthy only when our mother earth is healthy. If mother earth is badly damaged and highly polluted, we should jointly give a helping hand to mother earth. To treat earth, we should know the environmental factors and damages. There are some policies took by government to protect environment. In 1991, Supreme Court issues an order to make EVS as a compulsory subject in educational institution. As per this order, now we are studying EVS in college level also. The government policy cannot reach public unless the issue is sent to people through mass media and SHG. The government policy cannot reach the public, cannot reach to the community or society unless the issue of environment is sent to people through mass media or SHG. SHG means self-help group. So government providing different programs and policies to create awareness among common people. A knowledge on competence of environment and environmental issues is very essential to save earth. A knowledge on components of environment and environmental issues is very essential, necessary to save our earth. Awareness is needed to get rid of superstitions and misconceptions. There are so many superstitions or so many fake news regarding environment. So awareness is needed to avoid such superstitious beliefs and fake news. Government cannot achieve the goals without the participation of human community. So to achieve government goals, participation of society also must to protect our environment. Public awareness help the environmental planners to plan in a better way. The awareness on plastic pollution reduce the use of plastic. So thereby government implementing so many laws and rules to protect environment. Then we can study natural resources. What do you mean by natural resources? Yeah, natural resources are wealth of earth. They are raw materials available in our nature and useful to human beings, animals and plants. Natural resources are two types: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. What do you mean by non-renewable resources? It cannot be replaced after their use. They are very limited in amount, limited in quantity. Non-renewable resources cannot replace after their use. Available in very limited quantity. Example: coal, petroleum, iron, gas, fossil fuels, etc. are non-renewable resources. Then what is renewable resources? Yeah, they are replenished after their use, available continuously. For example, water, grass, animals. They will grow again and again. But now water is also going to be a big issue. That is by the human activity only. Renewable resources are further classified on the basis of chemical nature, inorganic and organic resources. Renewable resources are further divided into two. That is on the basis of chemical nature of that resource. That division is inorganic resources and organic resources. Inorganic resources do not contain carbon. They include air, water and sunlight. Inorganic resources are air, water and sunlight. That doesn't contain carbon. But organic resources contain carbon. For example, coal, petroleum, forest resources. Then natural resources can be classified into abiotic or biotic. That we already understood. What is abiotic and biotic? Then we can go to forest resources. Forest is a large area of land inhabited by trees. A forest is a large area of land inhabited by trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, etc. Forestry means science of planting and caring of forest. Forest is a large area of land inhabited by trees, shrub. Shrub means small, like small trees, kodkapuli. Then herb, climbers, Malligavalli, climbers. Then forestry means a science of planting and caring of forest. Forestry means studying of planting and caring of forest. Depends upon the shape of leaves. Forest can be classified into different type. First one, needle leaf forest. Needle leaf forest. They are also called softwood forest. Then another type is broadleaf forest. Broadleaf forest, that is hardwood forest. Depends upon the shedding of their leaves. Forest can be classified into different as evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Depends upon the shedding of their leaves. Forest can be classified into evergreen. Shedding means falling. Evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Evergreen forest does not shed their leaves. For example, Silent Valley in Palakkad, and those forests further classified into tropical evergreen forest and temperate evergreen forest. Evergreen forest does not fall their leaves continuously. That example for such a forest is Silent Valley in Palakkad, Kerala. These evergreen forests can be classified into another, that is tropical evergreen forest. For example, Western Ghat is a tropical evergreen forest. Mahogany and bamboo. Bamboo means mola. Such trees are tropical evergreen forest. Then temperate evergreen forest, pine tree, eucalypts. You can see eucalypts in our college. That is a temperate evergreen forest. It is the example for evergreen forest. Then we can check deciduous forest. They shed their leaves once in a year. These forests further classified into as tropical deciduous forest and temperate deciduous forest. Deciduous forests fold their leaves once in a year. Tropical deciduous shed leaves in summer season. Temperate deciduous fold their leaves in winter season. Then another divisions also there for forest as rainforest. For example, Amazon tropical rainforest. Continuously that area rain will occur. So the picture for the deciduous forest. Then what are the use of forest? There are different uses of forest. Commercial benefit. What are the commercial benefit? Yes, timber, firewood, or to get oil, foods, sports goods, railway track, medicines, etc. By using forest trees, we can make furniture. Firewood, we can collect firewood. We can make oil, eucalyptus oil. There are different oils. Then fruits will get. Sports woods can be make cricket bat, then shuttle bat, etc. can be prepared from the forest trees. Railway track, then medicines will get from forest resources. These are the commercial benefit. And what are the ecological benefit? Yeah, we have some ecological benefit also. Protect forest, protect ecosystem. Forests are the lungs of earth. Forests are considered as the lungs of earth. It is protect respiration, renew the air, reduce global warming, storehouse of water, prevent flood, prevent soil erosion, and habitat for wild animals. So there are so many ecological use for forest. And aesthetic benefit also for the forest resources. It is the house of tribals. Then tribals live in hut made up of forest material. Then it provide medicines. Then from forest we can collect honey, spices can be collected from forest. Then timber for extraction. It is also called logging. Timber extraction means we are cutting trees for making furniture and other items. It is called logging, means cutting of trees. Timber extraction means cutting of trees. What is the need for logging or timber extraction? Extraction done for making furniture, to make door, to make window, railway parts, boat, ship, cars can be constructed from the trees. So we are cutting, human beings cutting trees from the forest. It creates so many problems. So what are the impact after effect of this extraction? Deforestation will happen, soil erosion. Soil erosion means losing soil. Then landslide, then reduce soil fertility due to cutting of the trees. Fertility of the soil will lose. Resource destruction, disturb tribals' life. So due to activity of the human beings, we lose many things from the forest. And deforestation will happen, soil erosion, landslide, soil fertility will lose, resource destruction. So many problems will occur due to cutting the trees or extraction. Then what is mining? Have you heard this term before? The extraction of minerals from the earth is called mining. Extraction of minerals from the earth is called mining. For example, coal, granite, marble, sand, manal, clay, mannu, etc. are extracted by mining. There are two types of mining, surface mining and deep mining. Surface mining means mining of sand and clay, mannu, manal, taking sand and clay from the earth, that is surface mining. Then deep mining, open pit, coal, dredging, seashells, strip, granite. When we are taking granite, seashells, coals and other minerals from the deep part of the earth, that is deep mining. And what are the after effect of the mining? Impact of the mining: landslide, deforestation, soil erosion, noise pollution, water pollution. These will happen due to mining of minerals. Landslide means we have watched many times from the news. Landslide, the rainy season, landslide will occur very easily due to the mining of minerals and cutting of trees. Deforestation, soil erosion, noise pollution, water pollution will occur due to mining of the minerals. Okay, then we can conclude today's class. Today we learned about forest resources and different types of the forest resources and need for the public awareness and regarding the use of the minerals and the impact of the extraction of minerals. Okay, thank you.